Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a racing car from BMW. It's the BMW M4 GT3. It's new for 2026 and it's from Hotwheels mainline. It's also from the Hotwheels starting grid set. These are some new cars. Before wasting any time, let's open it up and see how does it look. Here's a quick look at the casting. It comes with nice racing livery. I can see there are a lot of good details, and I can also see it's missing some of the major details I would have liked to see on it. So let's deep dive into it and check all the details. So this one is a new casting, and you can see there are some nicer details, but obviously it misses out on a few details too. So I'm going to start with the paint because that's the most eye-catching thing here. It's white paint with those racing livery. I'm going to go to the front and let's see what's there, what's not. So things which I like, or the details which are there on the front, obviously is the grille. You can see it's the huge grille which nobody likes, but it's nicely detailed here. You got the BMW badge, a splitter in the front. Stuff missing, you can see there's no painted headlamp or any other details apart from that. Now if you look at the hood, you can see the scoops. Obviously it's a more powerful race oriented version of M4. I think in rear world it makes around somewhere around 580 or 90 horsepower. So again, there are some really good details. If you see those vents, they have nice details. It's in the hood, and you can also see it's obviously a wide body, and you can see some more vents on the wheel arch here. I like the paint which continues, and I like the windscreen too. You can see it says M Sport, just like single wiper there. You also get both the mirrors, which is again good to have. And since we are here, you can see there's this hatch in the hood. So on the roof. I don't know why it exactly is there. I have no clue. And then there's those 2 points. I don't know what those are either. Now moving to the driver's side. This is where I think Hot Wheels spent most of his time and money. So it has got nice paint going on the side. Wheels actually look nice. We have seen this on cars earlier too. And you can see the fender is much more wider than the actual car. And then you have a lower body kit that continues, which is also again slightly wider. There is a vent for the rear wheel here again, which looks good. I mean, you'd also get the door handle, Hot Wheels #1 M4 GT3. Side is actually nicely detailed compared to front or rear, which you will see in a minute. So on the rear, you can see there's no painted detail. I wish there was something, at least tail lamp or badge, but there's nothing. You do get a big diffuser, a modified bumper, huge wing, and I don't know if those are vents in the rear window, I'm not sure. But the interior is finished in black, which you can see from here. Passenger side looks almost identical, only difference, fuel filler, that was not present on the driver's side. The interior is finished in black, gets some details, not sure how much. Base is plastic with minimal details, which has been the story for new Hot Wheels. So, I want to know, are you still going to buy a new mainline casting which doesn't have painted details, headlamp or tail lamp? Are you happy with the rest of the car? I think in today's era, when most of Matchbox at least get like headlamp, most of them, I'm saying, not everything. Even Hot Wheels does a good job with some of their main lines. Would have loved at least if there were headlamps, painted headlamps. The base is really good. I mean, not the plastic base, the base of the casting, the actual car is really good. And I think they might do or in the future we might see a silver series based on this, which will have good details. But I want to see at least painted headlamps. Would have made this casting one of my favorite BMWs from Hot Wheels mainline if it had those details. But apart from that, it has got some nice details. Let me know. Leave a comment if you have this, or if you're waiting for Silver Series or something with better details. I had to buy one because it's a new one. I like the paint on the side. I won't see it from the front or rear. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.